Hello and welcome to Buyavette.net. This is Jan Hermstad with Buyavette in Atlanta, Georgia, with this gorgeous low mileage Corvette coupe with paddle shift automatic transmission. Clean as a pen. Look at those headlights, clear lenses, clear paint, no blemish. This car is like new with less than 3,000 miles on it. Or right at 3,000. One owner car. Beautiful. Chrome wheels. Shines great. Paint is beautiful. Atomic orange. Very, very clean. Don't often see one with that low mileage. It's a 2008, so it's got an LS3 motor too. We can celebrate this car as being one of the nicest low mileage cars around. So I would love for you to come in and see me in person, Jan Hermstad at Buyavette.net. I'm listing my cell phone so you can find me direct or leave a message if I don't pick up right away. Look at those clear lenses. Look at that nice front. I'm doing a close-up here so you can really see it. Engine compartment is bone stock. Here's a look from the back. Very clean. Two-tone interior, Cashmere and Ebony. Nothing to take away from this almost brand new car, but it's a 2008. Radio, and there you see the mileage. 3,295 on it today. And we're here at Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Call me. I'm Jan Hermstad. Jan at Buyavette.net or 404-993-5964. And I look forward to see you. And thank you for looking at Buyavette. Have a great day.